Hello everyone, welcome to Beaver's Hobby channel. In this video, I'll tell you how to replace the MOSFET on the TRQ1 original board, and I'll also show you if it works. A while back, I fried my TRQ1 board while doing speed test. I was about to give up on the original board, but someone in the comment told me I should replace the MOSFET, which from now on I refer to it as FET. So I did a bit of research and bought a bunch of 8858CZ in case I fry my mini-Z as well, and this should also give me some practice before I do it on mini-Z. Unfortunately, I didn't film the process, but I can tell you how I did it. First, desolder the old FETs out. There are two of them, one on the top and the other one on the bottom. And then you'll see a symbol like this. I'll put the symbol on the screen around here. Next, you'll have to identify the dot on the FET. This will indicate the pin 1 on the FET. And the dot goes in this way according to the symbol on the board. Next, it's just a matter of soldering 8 legs on the board. Be careful not to breach any leg. And here's the result. Now, let's see if it works. And the servo, this also works. Everything works. Now I'll put it on the car and see if it'll burn again when I do the speed test. The servo should go in like this. Alright. Plug the servo in. Plug the motor in. Right. Off. Right, left. Right, left. Perfect. And here it is. Now, let's do the speed test. Let's do it again. it didn't go up in smoke, which I consider a success. Fantastic! Now it's working without any smoke. And there you have it. If your board goes up in smoke, you can replace the fets to fix it. Next time, I'll show you how to install the light on the original board. And that's it for this video. Please subscribe and click the notification if you want to see more content like this. You can follow me on social media for quick updates and written reviews. You can also send me a message or comment below if you have any question or suggestion. Thanks for watching and see you again next time.